At the time, we were looking to expand the team at Daxtra Technologies, and we were finding it difficult to find experienced members of staff to bring in. I'd used the apprenticeship scheme previously at another company, so I introduced it to Daxtra originally back nearly 5 years ago now. And we started off with one apprentice. We brought them in to the client services team, and then over the last 5 years, we've had more throughout the rest of the teams in the business.
Again, similarly, we have seen the success of the other teams, and we wanted to continue that relationship with QA, with the same company that provided us with apprentices in other roles. So effectively, it was a natural consequence of what happened with the other roles that we acquired.
I feel that the apprentices have brought a new dynamic to the team. It's great to actually be able to bring somebody in from a school level and actually give them the training, the knowledge and support to actually begin their careers.
Seeing that it was so successful, we will definitely want to continue doing this on a regular basis, so it could be yearly or even more often if there is a need for it. But effectively, what we have done so far has been almost on a yearly basis acquiring at least 2 new talents through the apprenticeship scheme and making sure that they have not just, let's say, the ability to do the apprenticeship, but also to continue working for Daxtra, or if need be, if they prefer to work elsewhere, to be able to continue their career successfully.
Initially, I must be honest, I was a bit sceptical when I started hiring apprentices. I wasn't sure if they'd actually be able to meet up to the kind of standard they're needing for the job. However, that was at my previous company, and I've seen how well they came in, adapted, and actually brought so much to the company. So that was fantastic to actually bring them into Daxtra and continue that model on. So it's been brilliant.
Effectively, there's been an interesting aspect that was not just acquiring apprentices and acquiring talent, but also understanding in what areas of our onboarding and training we were lacking, because we needed now to make sure that there was a more structured way to do training and to do improving the career of our engineers, not just for the apprentices, but then it became something that helped us redefine the training process also for all of our engineers, and to put in place tools and maybe even like recording videos or other, let's say, processes that helped us then improve the quality of the knowledge that everybody had in the company, not just for the apprentices.
I think it's going to be part of a long-term strategy, no problem at all. We've started off with this 5 years ago, and we've proven that the apprentices can come through the business and go up through different levels of the business as well. We've got members of the staff that have joined us who are now being promoted several times throughout the business and are now working globally across our client base with some of our largest clients possible.
I think that being able to learn in a professional environment and learn from other professionals that are working with you, it's really invaluable for young people that want to have not even a mentor, but an example of somebody that works in that environment and can show them what it means to be a true professional. And at the same time, do so in a team. So not only there is learning the professional job, but also learn how to work with others, learn to work with different teams and all that kind of aspect that you cannot just learn from just studying.
Absolutely. I mean, I think that initially they need to look into the effort and the training that they have to put into the apprentices. You'll only get in what you put. You only get out of it. Sorry, what you put into it. But it's one of the best things that I think Daxtra's ever done. And as I said, we've employed over 15 apprentices in the last 5 years.
We need to put that effort into teaching to the new generations how to do the job or how to progress their career, because that means that we will have a brighter future. And at the same time, if you put that effort into teaching somebody something, then they will reward you with their loyalty.
Continue to support apprenticeship schemes for all businesses, and try and do more where you can around that side of things. It's important to get these young people into companies like this to actually allow them to gain the experience, the work experience, the knowledge, the skill sets, where they will maybe not get that when they're at a university or college.
It's been amazing being able to work with QA, because the onboarding process has been very quick. We were able to acquire talent in the time range that we wanted to. But also it's been amazing working with the young people that we acquired, because, as I say, we were able to invest that time and that effort into nurturing them, and now we're already getting the results that we were expecting.